Today is Sunday, September the 26th, 2021, and I'm in the kitchen, obviously. I am getting ready to do a little cleanup. I'm going to start some food prep for this week, and then I'm going to go into my spare room, which is also my office, and go through some things in the closet that I've been meaning to go through. I'm trying to make some more space in there, and I'm working on moving some things around so that I have plenty of room to do my packing. So this is kind of the weird random stuff that I end up doing on a Sunday afternoon, just food prep, getting ready for the next day. And this week, since we're getting ready to go to Gatlinburg, that includes pre-packing. So come along with me and see what a normal Sunday afternoon looks like for me. Smells so good. So it's actually the next day. I ended up spending so much time in the kitchen that I didn't get to do much packing yesterday, but I did pull out my clothes. So I have my outfits laid out over here on the bed, and I've just started packing. I'm bringing 2 dresses. This one is the one that's for the vow renewal, and then I'm bringing a more casual dress down there that I'll show you later on when I get there. I have my swimsuit and cover up back there. I have a couple of pairs of shorts, an olive green one, and just some jean shorts that are relaxed. And then I have a couple more pairs of jeans. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear this outfit, but I will probably use these pants again later on. It just depends on how warm it is. Or I might take this shirt and wear it with a pair of shorts, so we'll see. So that's kind of where I'm at. I've got a plaid shirt, black shirt. I've got a couple of basic white shirts that I'm packing. And the nice thing about having a color palette is there's a lot of options for mixing and matching your things, so it doesn't really take much effort to put outfits together. So I'm just gonna finish up here. I need to get to bed. It's actually after 11 on Tuesday night, and I was supposed to already have this done, but I was working on lesson plans and some things for school like grades so that I won't be behind when I get back. So I'm gonna finish up here, go to bed, and try to get up early in the morning and throw my toiletries in so that we can leave as soon as school's over tomorrow. So we are here at the cabin. I'll show you a little bit more tomorrow. We got here a few hours ago and we've just kind of been chilling, relaxing. We're pretty tired from being in the truck all that time, but I just wanted to show you my travel outfit. This is what I wore all day today, super comfortable. This is a Madewell tee, like button-up shirt. It is, I'll take it out so you can see better. It's kind of like scooped in the front, a little bit longer in the back, and it has like these kind of wider sleeves, but they're short at the same time. So it's pretty versatile. I really love it, and it's kind of made of like it's a cross between a linen and like a cotton blend. So it wears really nice and it washes really nice. I'm amazed that I didn't get anything on it because we were eating in the car today. I had Zaxby's and I actually had wings, so I'm kind of surprised. But these shorts are just from Walmart. They're just a relaxed slouch. These are actually kind of big on me actually right now, but I bought them big because usually things in Walmart, they tend to shrink, and so far I've been trying to shrink these and I can't get them to shrink enough, so I probably should have sized down a little bit more, but I sized up. So they just have this like stretchy waistband, and then I like them because they're just wide-legged, so it's nice. It just has a little tie in the front, so really comfortable outfit for traveling. So I will come back tomorrow and show you my outfit that I bought. Well, I'll show you some of the things that I bought at the Tanger outlets today, and I'll show you the outfit that I'm wearing to tool around the town tomorrow. As you can see, I am back in my classroom. We are already back from our trip, and this video is getting a little bit long for adding my outfits, so I'm gonna go ahead and move that to the next video. So check that out next week and you will see a little bit of footage from my trip and some of the things that I did, and of course, like I promised, all the outfits that I packed will be in that too, in case you are planning a vacation and you want some outfit ideas. All right, well everybody, thanks for checking out my video today. I really appreciate all of you being on here and listening to my videos regularly. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for helping me build my online community. As always, don't forget to work hard, Be kind, and amazing things will eventually happen. Bye bye.